can now complete the assembly of the robot. I've started that by adding some screws and nuts to hold that arm in place, and those are 832 by ½ inch, and again I created sub-assemblies of those by demolding them. I'm going to place the claw assembly, and that's in motion. So claw kit, and it's a fairly large sub-assembly. It contains the claw, the grippers, a motor, and some angled pieces to assemble it onto the arm. I'm going to rotate that around. You can see there are eye mates on the nuts and bolts there that will allow us to make it easier just to attach it to the arm. So let's get that into a reasonable position, and then we'll finish off the assembly of the claw kit to the arm. It's going to be on those bottom holes. I'm going to choose the lower one. It's probably the easier one because I can see it. And once we have that first one in place, the second one will be quite easy to do as well. So, grab the eye mate, Alt, release, and it snaps into place. Might be a little easier if I move this away, so I'm going to go to the Move tool, just drag that away, and then repeat that workflow. Grab the eye mate, hold on the Alt key, release the Alt key, and once it pops into place, just release that, and that's good. So the claw kit is now attached to the arm. And if we grab onto the claw, there it is, we can see that it's moving. Now the claw will also move as well, but you'd have to make that flexible. After reviewing the design with our team, we thought it would perhaps be better to support that vertical column with this bar 20 hole bend. So what we've done is we've taken a standard piece, just bend it around to an angle, just we custom made that, and then bolted it onto the front and onto the vertical column. To do that, we used the 832 by ¼ inch long screws and the caps nut on the back, and of course combined those or demoted those into that sub-assembly. And I called it 832 by 250 support. So with the addition of those supports, the modeling of the virtual robot is now complete.